What's up guys? Good morning and welcome to Let's Get Inside and Fitness Dance Tablet.
Hi guys! Welcome to HTMS Prasae! And for today, we're gonna tour you around!
Let's go!
Let's go! So if you are hungry, you can eat here. They have restaurant and they serve all people to come here. And you know, the menu is just only cheaper than that. It's not really expensive. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and we are going to tour you there.
Hi guys, we're here kiteboarding Asia. Hi guys, welcome to HTMS Prasae. It's really nice here. You can also do like this. There at that side, you can see the lighthouse. Come here and visit.
Hi guys, so today I'm here in HTMS Prasae. So look at the Navy ship. This is it. It's so nice and it's so big. You know, I don't know how to play this. I don't know how to run it. That's why I'm just only using my hand. But anyway, look at the view guys. It's so interesting and fascinating.
Titanic. Welcome to Titanic. Welcome to Titanic, guys.
Titanic! Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa loob ng barko. Warship. Okay. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung mga nandito sa loob. Papakita namin sa inyo.
kuan daw unsa daw anang mag-ana-ana ra na kuan.
Bumirang.
Bumirang. Bumirang.
Hello!
Ano daw?
One of the tourist attractions in Klang district of Rayong is HTMS Prasae Memorial. This U.S. brigade was built in 1943 and was originally named USS Gallup. One of the most popular attraction just next to Tong Prong Tong. You can get on the real warship. The cockpit and the machine guns are there for you. The place is also good for walking around seeing the sea and fishermen. Moreover, the seafood restaurants are nearby.
Prasae initially was preserved as a memorial at the Satahip Naval Base, then was towed to the mouth of the Prasae River in Rayong Province and put on display there by the Prasae River Communities Committee on 27 December 2003 as the HTMS Prasae Memorial.
It's heavy. Oh, wind is not good today. I cannot spot.
Okay guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang kiteboarding. 300 per hour lang.
500.
Ay, 500. Sorry po.
Say hi.
It's so hot in here. Look at us. We are using umbrella and jacket because it's so hot in this area. So sa panahon ng anong tawag dito? Sa oras na to na nagba-vlog kami ng makainit, pero ginagawa namin to para maging masaya ang buhay.
Just for you.
Para lang sa inyo guys. Para maipakita namin ang magandang HTMS dito sa Klang. Okay guys, ito po ngayon yung barko dito. Ito yung tinatawag nilang HTIMS.
Warship.
Warship. So, napakalaki niya. Ewan ko kung bakit napunta dyan. I-research natin. Sasabihin ko sa inyo mamaya. Kung bakit, ano ang history ng barkong ito.
That's all for today.
And we hope you enjoy our video. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
Like and subscribe and share.
Leave your comment below.